Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. We want to take a look at the lower level price action here. Yesterday, or was it the day before, I told you that we have a descending trend line here. A break above this trend line would end the imminent downtrend, which you can see happened whenever we broke the trend line here. We did hold, by the way, the 35-cent level. We actually did a small rally, nothing significant, but we made another, well, 15%. In a short period, so that's not too bad. So yeah, the breakout here was useful. It was also making the impression of some kind of an descending wedge here. But the good thing is, with this latest price action, we have a bit more clarity in terms of the wave count, I think. So we talked about that a wave B top had occurred here around the 50-cent level. That since then we've been coming down. But we're waiting still for one more lower low here to complete the fifth wave. Sorry, the C wave of Y of 2. So just to show you the higher level wave pattern here, by the way, it's this one, and so far this is playing out. Yeah, we've been talking about that. That we haven't seen the low yet for XRP. I think so far the assumption is playing out. Of course, we haven't made a new low, but we're not too far away. So the assumption, the high level assumption has been that we came down in a wave A, moved up in a B, came down in a C, which bottomed here in January 22 in a wave W, which is the first wave of a larger corrective pattern. Then we moved up in an X wave, which is a connector wave, also a corrective wave. And now we are coming down in the wave Y, which consists of A, B, C. And we're now in this C wave, and the C wave consists of 5 subwaves. So now that we've seen price action, we can actually get a bit of a better idea where we might be in this overall cycle. Because this move to the upside, to be honest, it looks to me still a bit corrective, even though we've got 5 waves to the upside here. So let's take a look at the bearish as well as the bullish wave count. So the bearish count, let me just zoom out a bit. No, let's do. So the bearish count suggests that we are coming down in obviously 5 waves, right? So what we are doing here, from the top, we came down in a wave 1, moved up in 2, which peaked here at around 48 cents. Then we've come down in a wave 3. Oops, where's my mouse gone? Oh, there you go. Came down in a wave 3 here, all the way down to around 31.7 cents. And now we're moving up in a fourth wave and would come down in a final 5th wave to make a new low. At the moment, the view is that down here in this wave 3 we had 5 waves as well, so you can actually count this as a 5-wave structure. Just to show you that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not beautiful, but it's a 5-wave structure. The long dip here indicates that it's a wave 3. And the wave 3 of 3 is often very bearish or bullish, the other way around, right? Now we're moving up in wave 4. I can give you just an idea of how the wave pattern is working out. At the moment, it seems like the cryptos are doing a bit of a WXY structure here, all of them. WXY, with each of these ABC, yeah? And now we are coming down in the last impulse to the downside. That latest dip here looks quite impulsive on the XRP chart. But also it's not a very clear impulse, so this would have to be a 1-2, 1-2 setup and further downside. From here, confirmation that indeed we are coming further down will be, confirmation that we are coming down will be obtained as soon as we go below 33.2 cents. The 78.6% retrace. You will already get a good indication that we are coming down below 35.3. That's the wave X low. So that's the bearish wave count. Could we consider this a bullish count? Yes, we could. The difference here is that we have a bit of an even more messy overall structure than Bitcoin. Bitcoin has already made a new low. Therefore, with Bitcoin, we can carefully lean towards a bullish outcome. If you watch the Bitcoin video and you think, right, we have on the Bitcoin chart 5 waves up, here you can actually count it as a 5-wave structure as well. It would be a diagonal though, because they are overlapping. But with Bitcoin, the difference is it made a new low. It has a chance to start again. In XRP hasn't really done that yet. So yes, of course, this could be a 5-wave structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would have to be a diagonal And then we would need to hold a very important support level. So if we come down further now, if we hold the 33.4 cent level, you know, this is still a chance then to rally higher. Then we have a wave 1 here, a wave 2 down, would move up in a wave 3. It's not high confidence at the moment, and we would need to hold the 33.4 cent level and then follow through, break above the 40.1 cent level. If we do that, then we are in probably a breakout pattern. But at the moment, I'd be leaning towards the downside unless the chart proves it by breaking above 40.1 cent that we actually are in a different pattern, in a breakout pattern. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just leaning towards the downside because the overall context here on the chart is still bearish. And also a leading diagonal is not a very reliable pattern. But yeah, these are the two options here. You know which levels to watch out for. I hope you liked the update about XRP. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.